Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE and I am back with another quick protective style. I'm not going to say it's that quick, but it's pretty quick. Maybe going to take you about 20-30 minutes. It just really depends on your hair texture and length. I did use some, extra help to give my little two mini buns some fullness. So I hope that you guys like this. We're just going to get right into the style. So let's get it. Damn, this cute. Here's the deal, guys. I washed my hair 2 days ago and then I just put it in 6 chunky braids, literally because I knew that I wanted to do this style and film this tutorial, and I can't actually part my hair. Parting my hair is so hard, so I got Nick to part it for me to make this a lot easier. If you can part your hair, kudos to you, but I am just not the best parter and I want to wear this style for a couple of days, so I need for it to be crisp. These were literally just chunky braids. We're gonna start off on this side and then move to this side. Here's what you need: a brush, because I am going to smooth in the hair. Edge control. My favorite hands down edge gel is Style Factor. You can get it at pretty much any urban beauty supply and it is roughly around $10. 2 hair ties. They're black, you can't really see them. There they go. And then 2 clip-ins. This is also optional. You can use braiding hair, or if your hair is just longer, just go for your own hair, but I'm gonna wrap mine up just a little bit, so I just have 2 clips. They looking dusty and crusty, but that's okay. Take this hair, depending on your hair texture, and I'm just gonna loosen it up a little bit, but not too much. I'm not trying to do a whole lot with this hair. With some edge control, I'm gonna apply it around the perimeter of the entire section, but you do want to get the back and behind the ears. Now with the brush, I'm left-handed, so it's just natural for me to use this hand. Smooth this in, sis, and smooth it in and kind of brush it into a higher ponytail, which I believe that my hair just got long enough to really do this. Okay, now I'm going to use my hand and gather it. I'm trying to get this as smooth as possible. With this hair tie, I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail 2 or 3 times. It's going to be tight, but I don't want it to pull on my hair. So I'm literally just going in and kind of pulling pieces so that it is as smooth as possible. The other thing that I didn't tell you that you needed is bobby pins. Sorry. I've actually resorted to using a lot of these lately because they are gentler on my hair. So taking one of the clip-ins, this one has 3 clips. I'm gonna clip it around the base of the ponytail and then use it to basically cover up my hair and create a fuller bun. And I'm clipping it to my actual hair. This is what we looking like. Quick tip, I haven't pinned anything, but if this part isn't laying as flat as you want it, take a flat bobby pin and pin it down like as close to the base as you possibly can. We're gonna go ahead and start to pin it. Put a couple of pins in the actual middle of the bun to hold down the weave that's on top of it. That'll kind of prevent it from unraveling. One side is done, we're gonna go ahead and do the other side the exact same way. So we might speed through this just a little bit. My hair has grown out so much that you can barely tell how red it is. But the last thing is to actually do your baby hairs. Optional, y'all. So optional. Everybody doesn't like baby hairs. And I don't go too dramatic with baby hairs. Get your baby hair brush. Mine is a little dirty. It's a comb on one end, a brush on the other. My baby hairs ain't that baby. That's it. It's a really cute protective style, guys. Short story, I actually just got my second hole pierced yesterday and I accidentally almost pulled it out because I forgot that it was there and I was like, it's something on my ear, and I like snatched it. So it's a little irritated, but hopefully it's popping. It's a little cute touch. I don't even know why I wanted it, but I really did. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts below because it's the winter time and I have to protective style. I'm getting tired of doing my hair. I also apologize for the lighting going in and out. I'm using all natural light today, and it's really weird because it's sunny, but it's like fading in and out because of the wind. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Let me know, is there any other protective styles that you would like to see on my channel in the comments below. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you didn't already, and I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.